Hello there, and welcome to today's class, a short 5-minute standing stretch, great for a break in the middle of your day. You won't need any special props. You don't even really need a yoga mat, but you're welcome to roll out your mat if you'd like. Just make sure you're on a nice non-slippery surface for this class. So we'll start in Tadasana, mountain pose, with our feet more or less hip-width apart. You can have a slight bend in your knees, and just feel your body in the space. Start to tune into your breath. As you inhale in, fill up your belly with air. Let it expand outwards. And as you exhale, let your belly come back in and draw your navel back to your spine. And inhale. And exhale. Next one, deepest breath you've taken all day. And out. Next breath in, raise your arms up overhead as you inhale. And as you exhale, press the air away. And inhale. And exhale. Next breath in, pause at the top. And take a standing twist to the left. And inhale up through center. And other direction. And one more time each way. And release. Shake it out. This time as you inhale in, arms reach up. And as you exhale, cactus your arms and take a tiny back bend. Nothing too deep here. And release, arms swim behind you. Clasp your fingers. Open up through your chest as your hands reach down. And inhale in. And exhale, release. Come to a wide stance on your mat. You can turn your feet not all the way out to the side, but about to the corners. And inhale, arms reach up. Exhale, arms lower and bend your knees. As deep as you'd like, feel free to keep it nice and high if this is just a gentle break or first thing in the morning. Moving with your own breath, inhale and exhale, bend. And release back up to standing. Coming back to Tadasana, we'll do a little bit of balancing. Feel free to have a chair nearby or come up to a wall for extra support. Shift over to your right leg and draw your left knee up. Feel free to stay close to the ground here as well. You can keep your toes on the ground. You might feel a stretch if you're bringing your knee up, and circle your ankle one way. And then switch directions. And then point and flex your foot. Stay here. Or maybe you test your balance. Remember, you can always have a chair here. And then release down. Shake it out. And we'll take the other side. Shift over to your left foot. This time drawing your right knee up or keeping your right toes on the ground. And circle your ankle. Switching directions. And point and flex. Stay here, or maybe test your balance, which you can also do if you're holding on to something. And release, and shake it out. We'll move with our breath a little bit longer, and then we'll be finished for the day. Coming back to Tadasana, we'll take a gentle side body stretch. Feel free to keep this nice and gentle. Inhale, arms reach up, and bending over to the left, grab your right wrist, and gently reach up and over to the left. And back up to center, switch over to the right. One more time each way. Keeping this a nice, easy bend. And last side. One more time, cactus the arms, slight back bend, and release your arms down. We'll finish off with a breath together. Inhale, arms reach up. Exhale, draw your hands to heart center. Take a deep breath in and out. Thank you so much for joining me today. I hope you enjoyed this short class. If you'd like to spend a little bit more time moving today, feel free to check out any of the videos I've linked above in the cards that offer a little bit more movement. And if this was good for you today, consider giving this video a thumbs up and subscribing to the channel if you'd like to see more videos just like this. Thank you so much for being here. I hope you have a great rest of your day.